It's absolutely different than anywhere else in the world. India was unaffected even during 2008 recession. It got affected marginally, I would say, but to the watch market, to the luxury market, really not. It's a small market, but a market which is growing at 25%, a compounded growth rate. A market which stands today at $4 billion US, expected to touch by 2015 almost $14.73 billion. This is the luxury market. I'm not talking about only the watch market. But having said so, the world went through a recession. In India, people were anxious. People were holding on for investments, but people didn't stop spending. Consumerism continued even then in 2009 or 2008, and today everybody seems to be talking about recession. Everybody is very anxious, when is it going to hit? But when you step into the markets in the major cities of our country, you find consumerism at its peak. You try to book flights, all flights are booked. You look at business class, it's completely booked. Economy, you may find some seats, but business class is fully booked. You step into a mall, the malls are buzzing with people. You step into buying any kind of watch product, especially the most coveted pieces. You have to wait for 1 year, 6 months, 3 months waiting period. So I really don't know, where is this recession?
So there weren't any particular measures taken in India to kind of smoothen out this, what has been feared in other markets, just to...
I think government is being very cautious and very clever. Today, they just about a week ago, they have announced foreign direct investment for a single brand boutique, and they have allowed 100% from 51%. And this is a smart move. You are allowing a single branded boutique 100%, but you're not allowing multi-branded 100%. So you're keeping away from your Walmarts, you're keeping out your Carrefour, and that is protecting our economy, that is protecting our local small-time traders, small-time shop owners. And I think these kind of moves are definitely helping certain stringent measures which Indian government has taken. It's showing its result that even in 2008-2009, the recession elsewhere in the world was very badly hit, but in India we were safe, and I think these are because of the measures that they take. And even today they are taking these careful measures. So I think it's a great job that the Indian government is doing.
We hear that in India there's big import taxes, and has that have an impact on consumer purchasing luxury products elsewhere on business trips, let's say, and coming back to India with it, or is that, or are the people playing the game and buying in India?
Really speaking, if you really see it, which country doesn't have taxes? Every country has taxes. Maybe in India, the taxes are a little bit additional, marginally, maybe if you compare with anywhere else in the... Let's keep Dubai and Singapore aside, because these are the countries who have encouraged this kind of phenomena where tax structures are very less and therefore indulgence, therefore consumerism. But look at Russia, look at anywhere else in Asia, you have a tax structure. I don't think so in India. Watch industry gets impacted because of the tax structure. It is more to do with the retail environment. It is more to do with the environment per se that we offer to the consumer as in terms of experience. It's more to do with the confidence of the consumer to be built that he or she would get the right quality and the right product at the right price. I don't believe taxes are deterrent to any purchases in India.
Okay. And so for the industry, it begins here in 2012 at the SIHH for the watch industry. And what's your kind of forecast for this year, well, at least for this first semester of this year regarding your markets?
I don't know whether you are asking me forecast to be specific in percentage. That's very difficult to say. However, I mentioned earlier to you that the growth is almost 25%. I don't see that the market will not grow for the watch industry in the same ratio. It should grow 15 to 20%. It should not be anything less than that. It would be more, but not less. And when it comes to haute horlogerie, market will grow. More and more consumers will buy. It all depends on what the brands have to offer. If brands are offering certain brilliant products, Indians have the taste and the ability to buy.
So full of optimism for the watch industry for 2012.
Yes. I'm sure if you see me in 2013, I'm confident that you will have the same feedback from the market and from the brands that they had positive results from India.
So looking forward for 2013.
I only can just tell you one thing, that with the fluctuation of the rates of Swiss franc with rupee devaluation, there has been some impact in terms of buying and selling. But I think that Swiss government will correct it and brands will correct that.
Okay. Well, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.